So I'm now in Akko, and way over there, distance on that hill with the two things on top, that's Haifa, where I was this morning. And Akko is really interesting because it's an Arab town mostly, but it's very mixed. I mean, there's Israeli flags flying on the boats in the harbour. Smells of the sea, smells of fish, and like a fishing town. It feels really great to be here after Jerusalem and things, and also great that I'm actually in a hostel now, and that I'm just going to be hosteling again rather than on this bus. This bus ticket actually got cancelled on me this morning. It turned out to be nothing like it was advertised. I've just decided to go it alone now, and I'm staying in hostels, and I'm really glad for it. So I'm hoping that I'll run a tour to the Golan tomorrow. But in the meantime, this is me in Akko. It's really cool to see. There's a mosque here. Some Arabs here on Ramadan. There's also a church, which is that red spire just over there. So the majority of Akko's Arab population is Christian. And so it feels a very tolerant, very mixed place. There's I just saw an Arab guy fishing in the harbour, giving some of his fish away to some Jewish kids that came up. The group that we just walked past is Orthodox women. So it feels a very mixed and tolerant place. Haifa was as well, and it's refreshing to see. Just wanted to add that the more I think about it, the more maybe being next to the sea is what makes this area of the country a bit more tolerant, maybe a bit more hospitable, maybe a model for how people might think the rest of the country should be, even Jerusalem, even the south, like Arabs, Jews, Christians, Israelis, generally living together in the land of Israel. And I just think being next to something that is so visibly not your territory, so visibly you could not survive there if you wanted to for any length of time, gives people a reality check. I think in places like Jerusalem, you're surrounded by people telling you that it's your territory, telling you that it's their territory, and all you have are these monuments to something other, something greater than you. Here, it's right in front of your eyes, it's evident, it's there. The sea has that power to put people in their place. And maybe that's why this area of the country is like that. But having said that, Gaza is right next to the sea, so who knows? Anyway, this is Akko, and I'm very glad that I came.
It'll be so sad, you know. I have this in my mind, like, oh no, I want to be here. I want to see it from here. What happens?
Yeah.
I want to be here.
I think you will be. So, well, I'll be at home. In the riots of London.
So now you live in London?
No. My sister does, and my girlfriend does. So I go to London a lot. And
your place is what was it?
Sheffield. It's in the north.
How far is it from London?
On the train, it's about 2 hours.
Oh, so it's not that close.
No, it's quite far for England.
Yeah.
But it's crazy.
It's so funny.
But I'm from Portsmouth originally, so
Portsmouth is
in the south, like right at the bottom in the south.
Okay,
so it's a good.
In the west or more in the
right in the centre.
Right in the
You know, there's an island.
Oh, I'm very poor in the geography. Really, I know London. I can locate Wales.
Yeah.
You know, it's like
I'm the same with German geography.
Extensively traveled.
Yeah.
Always when I have not traveled in a country, I'm really bad, and I maybe know the capital, and then okay.